Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Imdadul Haq, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 3. Our today's topic is chapter 4, multiplication. In this topic, I will solve 7 multiplication today. Dear students, in the half yearly exam, you have learned how to multiply a number by another number. You have learned multiplication by 2 digit or multiplication by 3 digit. You have learned. Today we will learn some multiplication here. Okay, dear students, now see, when the question will be given, these are the question. When the question will be given in horizontal form, then we can do the multiplication in vertical form. So we can write here. Write this in vertical form. 508. We have to multiply this by 19. Dear students, to do this multiplication, you have to remember that for any multiplication, at first you have to multiply by ones place, then you have to multiply by tens place. So multiply by ones place at first. You have to multiply all the digits of the first number by the ones place. So if you multiply 9 8s are 72. So we can write here 2, 7 left. Now 9 zeros are 0 and 7, that is 7. 9 5s are 45. Now we have to multiply by tens place. Tens place is 1, so 8 ones are, as I have done ones place, so we have to give a 0 in ones place. Now we have to multiply by tens place. 8 ones are 8, 1 zeros are 0, 1 5s are 5. Now we have to add these two. If we add 2 and 0, we will get 2. If we add 7 and 8, we will get 15. So 5, 1 is left. So we can write here 5 and 0 is 5 and remaining 1 is 6. Now 5 4 9. 5 and 4 is 9. So the required answer for this question is, we can write in this way, 508 into 19 equal to 9652. So answer of this question is 9652. Dear students, I hope you have understand this question. If you can understand this solution, you will do in the same process all the problems you will solve. Okay, dear students, now see the next problem here. 269, we have to multiply by 35. If we multiply 9 5s are 45, 5 6 are 30 and remaining 4, that is 34. We can write here 4 and 5 2s are 10 and remaining 3, 13. Okay, dear students, now one digit completed, so we have to give, as ones place done, we have to give 0 in ones place. Now we have to start by tens place. 3 9s are 27, 7, 2 left. 3 6 are 18 and 2, 20. So 2 left again. 3 2s are 6 and 2, 8. Now we can write here, if we add 0 and 5, that is 5, 7 and 4 is 11. So 1 left, 3 and 1 is 4 and 8 and 1 is 9. So dear students, we can write this answer. Product is 9415. So our answer for this question is 9415. 9415. Okay, dear students, now I will solve third question. 7 2s are 14, 4 1 left, 5 2s are 10 and 1 11, 1 left, 2 1s are 2 and 1 3. Whereas one digit completed, so we have to give a 0 here. 5 7s are 35. So we can write 5 here, 3 left, 5 5s are 25 and 3, 28. So 8 here, 2 left, 5 1s are 5 and 2, 7. If we add 4 and 0, we will get 4. 5 and 1 is 6, 8, 3 is 11, 1 left, 7 and 1 is 8. 8, 1, 6, 4. 8, 1, 6, 4. This is our solution of third question. So we can write the answer is 8, 1, 6, 4. This is the answer of third question. Now fourth question, we have to multiply by 73. 37 we have to multiply by 73. So at first by ones place, 3 sevens are 21. So 1 to left, 3 threes are 9 and 2 11. Now one digit completed, so we have to give a 0 in ones place. 7 sevens are 49. So 49. So 4 left. 7 threes are 21 and 4 25. Now we can write here 1. 9 and 1 is 10. So 0, 1 left. 5 and 1 is 6 and 1 7. Now here is 2. No remaining here. 2 7 0 1. 2 7 0 1. So our answer for this question is 2 7 0 1. Now go to the next question. Question 5. We have to multiply 367 by 25. So we have to multiply at first by 5. 5 sevens are 35. So 3 left. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. And 3 33. That is 3 left. 5 3s are 15 and 3 18. Now we have to multiply by 2. 2 sevens are 14. 2 6 are 12 and 1 13. Now 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. Now 5 7 11 1 left, 7 1 8 and 1 9. 9 1 7 5. That is 9 1 7 5. So our required answer for this question is 9175. Okay, dear students, I have done 5 questions. Now I will solve next 2 questions, 6 and 7. Question 6. This is horizontal multiplication. So we can write here 99. We have to multiply by 48. So at first say the times table of 8. 8 9s are 72. 7 left. 8 9s are 72 and 7. That is 79. Now one digit completed. So give a 0. 4 9s are 9 4s are 36. 6. 3 left. 9 4s are 36 and 3. That is 39. So we can write here 0 and 2 is 2, 9 and 6 if we add, that is 15, 5. Now 1 left, 7 and 9 is 16 and 1 17, 1 left, 3 and 1 is 4. 4 7 5 2, 4 7 5 2. This is the answer of this question. So we can write in this way, 99 multiply by 48. We can write 4752. So our answer for this question is 4752. Okay, dear students, now go to the last question, that is 79 by 53. Here 79 we have to multiply by 53. So if we multiply 3 9s are 27, 7. So 2 left, 3 7s are 21 and 2, that is 23. One digit completed, so give a 0. Now 5 9s are 45. So we have to give here 5. Then 4 left, 5 7s are 35 and 4, that is 39. So if we add, we will get 7 and 0 is 7, 3 and 5 is 8, 9 to 11 1 and 3 remaining 1 and 3 is 4. So we can write therefore 79 multiply by 53 that is equal to 4187. So required answer for this question is 4187. 4187. Okay, dear students, I have done 7 questions. I hope you have understood today's lecture. Depending on this lecture, I have given 5 multiplication for your homework. See this 5 multiplication: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Do this 5 multiplication as your homework. Submit your homework on next Sunday. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.